Today I'm gonna be doing some gadget ideas for Yeeps. So I was gonna like come up with some beforehand and like write it down and make a script and all that, but I didn't really want to do all of that. Not like I'm lazy, it's just I kind of want to come up with it on the spot. So then I don't know, maybe it's like more entertaining that way for you guys. So I'm gonna be coming up with some new gadget ideas. If you have any cool gadget ideas that you'd want to see Yeeps, comment it down below. And yeah, first let me get into it.
I was vote for out.
Also, if you guys want, my code is CCHI. If I'm ever in a code, that's what I'll be in this game. In Grow, it'll be Pinap, and in Blocktown, it's GGHT. So, one idea that I was thinking is so like, well, this one isn't really a gadget idea. It's more of just an update idea. So, here. Basically, how it works is like they could add a new shop that gets rotated like every week. Like the community using the can type in kind of like with the voting system whatever item they want to see, like any of their ideas, but not like in the Discord, just in the game. But it's different than just an entire idea. It's just like a kind of a reskin of another item almost, but actually has different stuff. For example, one of the ones I'd want to see is for the plasma disc. The trail has hitboxes. That could just be like one of the items you could get. So for this little thing, it's like there's so it goes up to 100 people, the first 100 people to do it. So then everybody can like look at it and vote on which ones they like the most. And whichever the one with the highest vote gets added that month or week or whenever they want to do it. But the thing is for the item, you don't have to own it. But instead of costing however much it has, it'll cost like 3,000. Actually, no, you do have to own it, but it'll like it'll cost like 1,000. You have to own the item first. And yeah, there could be a ton of really cool ones for that. Like just different versions of an already existing item. Yeah, for example, I think the plasma disc trail, if it had hitboxes, could be so cool. Because then you could do like this. And then juke out the secret or tap tagger. Whatever. Another one. But yeah, that's something that I thought would be cool. Another like just like gadget idea. Oh, what was it? Oh yeah, so it would be like a bomb, or a sticky bomb, or a grenade that when you throw it down. Oh wait, let me turn on snap turning. Turn joystick turning. Basically, so you can throw it down, and once it explodes, instead of being like an explosion, it'll shoot out a ton of like green goop that when you like walk on, it slows you down, and it'll be in like an area. But the grenade version, if you throw it onto the floor like this, it'll explode, and then the goop will go everywhere, just like the same bomb version. But instead, if you hit somebody with it, then they get covered with it, but it doesn't get any on the floor. So it's kind of like a bit nerfed if you just hit somebody with it. Otherwise, it'd be like really overpowered. Because you could just constantly spam that. It's kind of like freeze balls, but better because you can get multiple people. Actually, no, if it hits somebody, it will work. It'll just be a slightly smaller radius. So if there's like a group of people chasing you down, you could go like this. Hit it, and then if they're close enough, this close, they all get gooped, and then they get stuck. Kind of like this, but not like, yeah, like that. Pretty sure. Oh yeah, here's another thing that they should do. So, like, if you get, for example, a pillow. This does not make sense. Look. It gets the top one. See, it gets it on fire. And it spreads. See? But if you just have it like this, here, let me change this to the grenade now. So here, I'm just gonna make like for example, if this was like in Spleef. Oh no. See? Wait, watch. That gets this one. Which then gets these. And it just stops. So it gets right there. If this is on fire, it should spread to the other one. They're pillows. And it does it with radiation bombs. It should work just like radiation bombs. It should do it in a radius this big. That'd be so good. It'd be good for Spleef. And also it'd just make more sense. Another one? Is that like, how does hot cocoa cure heat? Like if you're on fire, wouldn't that just make you hotter? Wait, no, not like that. Also, these things are really cool, but they're too slow. Like, the person would just dodge that by then. The only way you can use these is getting really close and then throwing them. That's the only way they work, is just that. But if we're gonna do all that, just use grenades. There was another one I wanted, but I don't really remember. So, what was it? Oh yeah, so like for the reskins, I was thinking it could be kind of like Blog Town, but like different. So it has like a complexity based on how many charms you use. So for each one, it has like a small little multiplier. So if you only use like a few charms and it's a really basic reskin because you're not that good at making them, then it shouldn't cost as much as an amazing one with a lot of charms and detail. Like, it should be like cheaper. It shouldn't be so expensive. It's kind of annoying. So yeah, those are some ideas. I'm pretty sure I'll keep doing these little videos as I come up with new ideas. And you can comment them and I'll put them in the next one. Every comment I get, that's like an idea on one of these videos. I'll also put it, and I'll put your like user, so it's not like I'm stealing your idea. But yeah, also I'll do these for other games too.